Good evening, guys. Hi. So in spirituality, khona what is known as numerology. And within numerology, khona what is known as a life path number. A life path number is derived from calculation or adding up of your birth date. And it is believed that Leo number that itholakala lapho, I think it's a single number, I'm not sure. Then we are able to obtain certain insights ngempilo yakho, from your life purpose to your character traits to your strengths to your challenges, just insight into why certain things happen the way they happen in your life. So, and why you would experience certain things, why when uniquely you would be needing certain lessons empilweni. And so I have a plug. I'm not sure what these usually cost, but a good friend of mine, where House of Mojaji, is offering numerology readings on Thursdays at a minimum of 150, just for you to get an overview and insight. I think if you want an in-depth thing, then it's something that you can discuss with her. She is a numerologist, a palm reader, and a dream interpreter. So on Thursdays is Numerology Thursday. She starts from 9 up until 5 p.m. So it's a plug for you to book a spot. I will be putting up inamba yake on this video. Do go check it out.